Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Academy credit card account. So keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Academy credit card account, open up a web browser. Go to the URL box at the top and type in www.community.net/academy and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official web page of Academy Sports and Outdoors, which looks like this. Click the sign in button on the right hand side of the screen and this will bring up the login area. Go ahead and enter your username and your password in the text boxes. If you'd like the system to remember your credentials, click on Remember Me, but make sure to leave it unchecked if you're using a public or a shared device. In case you've forgotten your username or your password, click Forgot Username/Password link and follow the instructions in order to look for them. If you don't have online access yet for Academy credit card, click on Register Now link and follow the instructions. After entering all of the information, click the sign in button in blue and that way you'll be able to log into your Academy credit card account. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.